Được phải chơi nó sao chế sư cho nên cần tới tía giờ tôi phải làm tới nó thế là giờ là cứ chơi để chơi rất kỹ nhau nó xa mình chỉ tôi một cái phần thì mình tôi một trong kề đi sao còn nó ý dạng đầu thế tuổi trẻ lúc mà giờ không lo như thế nó giờ luôn trong sân khấu đó là cho nó của nó sao nó là Excel Energy Center để nó lúc nó sao là nó River Center nó phải chờ là nhau kiện là tôi mình say thì cần tới ta cái xia làm đợi lúc nó đó tôi biết mình say ok đó đây sẽ là mình say là chờ tôi sai cần đợi cái xia cần đợi nó cần đợi nó chạy cần đợi hồ liệt tiền Hamline University giờ nó chạy cần đợi trong hàng trong xa hoặc một business với focus còn cái thế lọ cái chạy đi cho để nó đi qua lại từ giàu ơi luôn nó to là tăng trong cái to tí xì thì nó lại nè để chờ nó mà lọc cái gạo đi thì mình tôi chống cơ đi phía từ hạ chỉ đu đu nữa nó ra tuổi cần tới tía tiếng xia cho cái sông nó nên là giờ tôi chống cơ đi giờ tôi chạy đi mùa để mình dành tay nhân tao nó rồi mình sai cần đợi tía cần đợi chuyện nhớ chẳng nó để chơi nó đây lại các tỏi cho lòng xài lại đèn đèn có thơ thì lại tao cần đợi tía đó lúc xong nó là ít bia tập ba mình mà chọn gì đó cà phê sai cho tôi phải cần đợi tía đó lúc xong nó đấy.
We are wearing red polos. Photography is not allowed from the front or sides of the stage. We ask for your cooperation abiding by this rule for the safety of our graduates. A professional photographer has been hired to take photos of graduates crossing the stage and receiving their diploma. The graduates will receive those images via email within the upcoming weeks. We ask that everyone remains seated during the ceremony, but please rise when the processional begins. All aisles need to remain clear for the processional and when the graduates' names are read. Our usher staff may ask you to be seated if you are standing in an aisle during these times. At the end of the ceremony, you can find your graduate at Rice Park. We will begin.
commencement ceremony for Hamline University. As we begin our time together, we'd like to share the land acknowledgement statement. Hamline University acknowledges that the land on which we gather and refer to as Minnesota is the traditional and unceded territory of the Dakota and Ojibwe. Minnesota comes from the Dakota name for this region, Minnesota Makove, the land where the waters reflect the skies. We pay respect to the citizens of not only those tribes, but others as well, both past and present, and their continuing relationship to their ancestral lands. Making this recognition expresses gratitude and appreciation to those whose territory we reside on, and honors the indigenous people who have been existing with and on the land from time immemorial. This long-standing history is significant, as land acknowledgements do not exist in past tense or historical context. Colonialism, appropriation, and genocide have relevant real-time realities. We need to build mindfulness regarding the source of our present land privilege.
Students, the John Wesley Leadership and Service Awards were established by the Board of Trustees to recognize those students, staff, and faculty whose leadership and service to others and to the Hamline University best exemplify the spirit of the Methodist founder, John Wesley, to do all the good you can. These are the university's most prestigious awards, which is why we do present them here today at commencement. And we've asked former recipients of the award to wear the medallions to our commencement ceremonies. If you would, please turn to pages 27 and 28 in your program to read the information about all of our award recipients. Presenting the award medallions is Dorn Clark, our chair of the Board of Trustees. Please hold your applause until the end until we do introduce all of our recipients. With the first recipient, Caleb Leaders, who is graduating with a Bachelor of Business and Administration degree in Management, please step forward. Our next recipient, Ezra Farnham, is graduating with a Bachelor of Science degree in Neuroscience. Please step forward. Our next student recipient, Luke Snow, is graduating with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Communications Studies.
In case we've never officially met, I'd like to personally introduce myself. I'm Anna Dybert, the first child of Meg and Todd Dybert, the older sister to Leah, Isaac, and James. I'm a granddaughter, niece, cousin, roommate, and best friend. Over the last 4 years at Hamline University, I was able to be a cast member, a choir member, a Bible study leader. I was a new student mentor, club president, and I was a student. All of these pieces of my identity are rooted in my community.
Jessica Rose Anderson, Bachelor of Science. Adela Bianca Ashby, Bachelor of Business Administration.
Ibuki Washburn, Bachelor of Science, cum laude. Christina Teague, Bachelor of Arts. Amanda Jean, Bachelor of Business Administration. Annalie Campbell. Marietta M. Wilcox, Bachelor of Science, summa cum laude.
Luke P. Schmedeke, Bachelor of Business Administration. Morgan Cordella Marie Schrader,
got a red sash, a white sash, and then some kind of red thing over there. Are they coming up the escalator? Yeah, they must be.
Okay? Go cook the rice right now. We'll soon be on our way. Before I come there, you have to be ready.